What's up, weirdos? Good morning. How's everybody doing out there? Another fantastic day for the altcoins. While Bitcoin kind of just trends sideways, altcoins are pumping again. Again. You love to see it, guys. You absolutely love to see it. And of course, as the market is green, the inverse effect on ZBEC is in full effect as well. That's hilarious. But let's have a look across the market, guys. Let's have a look at Bitcoin dominance. Let's have a look at the total two. Let's see what the M2 money supply is doing, and much, much more. All right, so Jasmy up 3% on the day, 10.5 on the week, 37.5 on the month, but down 41.5 on the year. Even in rank at 95, an $837 million market cap and 28 million in volume. Swiftcoin up 0.5% on the day, 10 on the week, 11.5 on the month, and 192 on the year. Down 10 spots in rank to 324. $126 million market cap and 1.86 million in volume. XCN, where's XCN? Up 0.7% on the day, 8.7 on the week, 36.8 on the month, and 1,051% on the year. Down 3 spots in rank to 111, $644 million market cap and 17 million in volume. And of course, ZBEC down 4.7 on the day, pretty much even on the week, down 21.2 on the month, but up 170% on the year. Down 13 spots in rank to 197, $277 million market cap and 14 million in volume. I think I'm coming down with a cold or something. Sorry, guys. A little stuffy. But let's get into it here, guys. Everything's looking fantastic. Hopefully, you guys have been filling your bags during the dumps, because now it's starting to pay off, right? So first, we're looking over here at Bitcoin as it just consolidates sideways in this bull pennant. Now, last night I spoke about two potential scenarios, but one of the two are going to play out, right? The first one is the breakout to the upside of this bull pennant to about $130,000 here by the $128,000 to $130,000 by the end of the month, right? However, if we do make that curve to the downside, then we could come down next week and fill the CME gap in a bit of a flash crash. I talked about it last night. It's still a possibility, guys, and it's going to remain until we get up above 121,000 and close daily candles there. Then I'm gonna feel like 114,000 CME gap fill is still in the cards, right? We need to move up and start closing higher, or else this is going to play out. Though we are in a bullish structure. So that's good. But yeah, fill a drop down to fill the CME gap next week, followed by a run back to the upside, maybe a little bit of consolidation for the rest of the week, followed by a run back up and another attempt at $120,000. But what we could see happen here, if that's the way things play out, is I'll show you here. Let's go look at the liquidation levels. What are we looking like? All right, so I mean, they've really kind of calmed down, like a lot. Holy smokes. Let me zoom. Yeah. Check out how limited the liquidation levels are, right? I mean, you've got longs. The longs are piled on more than the shorts are right now. Oh, I guess if we went back up to 120,000, we would only have 1.34 billion in shorts liquidated. If we drop down to 115, we'd have 1.31 billion liquidated. There's not an incredible, compared to what it's been lately, there's not an incredible amount of leverage in the system right now, to be honest with you. When we looked at the leverage yesterday to the shorts, there was over $4.31 billion in shorts built up. A lot of people closed out their positions. I think that shows us, guys, when you go from $4.31 billion in shorts in 24 hours, all the way down to 1.56 billion in shorts positions, that tells me people think it's going up. So they're getting out of their short positions before they get liquidated, right? That's what that tells me. So that's a bullish sign for me anyway. That I'm taking it as a bullish sign. So let's go look at the Ethereum chart. How is this going to be affecting the altcoins? Ethereum, look at this, continuing to work its way up. We're about halfway up our golden pocket here towards its all-time high. Once we get above its all-time high, guys, whew, price discovery mode, baby. Price discovery mode. I hope you're ready for that. As soon as Ethereum breaks through and gets into price discovery mode, altcoins are going to start to run. Altcoins are already starting to run, right? They're already starting to run with Ethereum here. Let's go back to the bubbles here and have a look. I'm getting some people that are like just impatient. Oh, wrong screen. They're impatient and they're being absurd at this point. They're complaining about altcoins not running. If you really have a look, zoom out, right? Look at the weekly, look at the monthly, okay? On the monthly time frame, Moonwell, 43.6%, Pith, 40%, Onyx Coin, 37, Jasmy, 37, Algorand, 77, Sui, 42. Yeah, there's some that are red, Zbec, Nadix, Forta, Tars AI, XRP, 62%, SEI Network, 75, XPR, 70, Clearpool. Like, look across the market, guys. HBAR, 81%, XLM, 87, Telcoin, 7, almost 72. Like, and people are like, why aren't things are melting upwards, guys. They're melting upwards as Ethereum and Bitcoin climb up. It's not altcoin season right now, but altcoins are going to continue this structure. They're going to continue working their way upwards until altcoin season comes, right? So I don't know why anyone would feel bearish or be complaining right now. If one or two of your altcoins are in the red right now, if you look over at Nadix and Zbec on the month, yeah, they're down. But for me, what does that mean? To me, that means that it's a time that you could be DCAing into those projects and filling your bags even more. It's not financial advice, right? You got to do whatever you're going to do. But, if you don't learn how to navigate this space properly, guys, and just complain about things, you're never going to be successful, right? All right, looking over at the total 2. Look at that, guys. We made another leg up on the total 2. We're just a hair below resistance right now. Can we break above that 1.51 trillion and close above there? That's what we're going to be watching for. But we're climbing up, guys. We made another leg up here on the total 2, which tells me Bitcoin dominance, yep, still on its way down. You'll love to see it, guys. 61.03. Sorry. Yesterday it was at a high of 61.81. We're down to 61.04. Let's go, guys. I want to see a complete collapse on this. I want to see it close to 50%, right? We're not that far off. Considering, just a couple weeks ago we were up at 65.96%. We've collapsed down. Pretty good, guys. Pretty good. Let's keep this drop coming. Let's go look at the M2, shall we? Okay. Boom. Right on course. Right on course with Bitcoin. M2 is kind of going sideways for the last couple of days here. But again, this lines up perfectly, guys, with where we think the top of the cycle is going to be. This would put us in a timeline around the middle of October for the top of Bitcoin, which would leave us about 5 or 6 weeks for the altcoins to run after Bitcoin has topped, right? Which leads us where? As we've talked about, the end of November, right? So we should see a significant correction in September, but for right now, we got the rest of July and August to continue working our way up, guys. It should be a fantastic time. I don't know about you guys, but my portfolio, once again this morning when I got up, was at another new all-time high, right, for this cycle. So absolutely bullish, guys. Absolutely bullish. I'm digging it. I am digging it. All right. So, guys, listen. If you're new to crypto, if you don't know what any of these metrics mean, if you want to learn how to use these tools, whether it's the Bitcoin trading view, the Bitcoin dominance, the M2, whatever it is. If you want to learn how to use these metrics and learn how to, you know, operate these tools in this space to be successful, invest in your future, guys. Invest in your education. Jump over to the Patreon, get all the education and training that you need. Help us help you. We teach you everything you need to know, from how to structure a portfolio properly to knowing when to take profits, knowing when not to take profits, which is really more important. Join a like-minded community of thousands of people that are there to help. Everyone's in our community is always helping each other, answering questions, reassuring each other, making sure nobody's making dumb moves, panic selling or panic buying or FOMOing or anything like that, right? So come and join our community, guys, and get the help and the support that you need. We're also live every single day. We do passive income opportunities. We have members on the Patreon that have actually left their 9-to-5s and they just do crypto full time, and they make enough money to pay their bills and still have money to DCA. So if that sounds like something you want to do, guys, get over to the Patreon. We got daily altcoin picks, micro cap gems. I'm actually dropping a very, very bullish micro cap 100x gem today over on the Patreon, guys. You do not want to miss out on this one. I'm telling you right now. Again, just like always, if you don't get in on it early, you're going to be missing out. And then in about 6 to 8 weeks, you're going to be asking me in a live stream if it's too late to buy in, if there's going to be a pullback. Get these projects before they pump 400, 500, 600%, right? Join the Patreon. Check these gems out. Again, daily altcoin picks as well. We're live every single day. We have mentorship coaching calls you can book yourself into for free. Learn everything you need to know to succeed in this space and so much more for less than a cup of coffee a day, guys. It's really a no-brainer. Check it out. The link is down in the description. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.